Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for a vitamin C serum, I want to show you this one from TruSkin. This is the C+ Super Serum, and I am a big fan. So the reason that I was looking for a vitamin C serum was to help with acne-prone skin, redness, and post-acne marks. I just wanted something that could brighten my skin a little bit, and so I found this, and I went with this one because it is not only a vitamin C serum, but it has tons of other awesome stuff in it too. So it has vitamin C, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and retinol. So this is basically a little powerhouse blend of really good ingredients for your skin for lots of different things: anti-aging, wrinkles, sun damage, so many different things. And bonus is that it's really easy to use. It lasts for a long time. So it comes in this little dropper. You only need a little bit. You can just use a few drops, apply it to your face, and I like to use it like every other or every couple of days because it is a little bit drying for my skin. So I just use it every few days, and then I don't have any issues with that. I like the way that it feels going onto the skin. It's not sticky, it smooths in really well. And I have to say, I have noticed a difference in the amount of acne that I have had, as well as cutting down on some of the redness. I think it's gonna continue to benefit my skin, but so far I am happy with it, and that is my point of view.